Today we're looking at one of Excel's most overlooked functions, a function that quietly powers cleaner models, smarter indicators, and more reliable data transformations. It's called n, and it converts almost anything into a number. If you've never used it before, this episode will change the way you build analytical spreadsheets. In real datasets, values aren't always clean. Some cells contain text, some contain logical values, some contain errors, and some contain numbers stored as text. The n function gives us a consistent way to convert these values into numeric form, which is essential for building indicators, dummy variables, and clean econometric transformations. This dataset mixes numbers, logical values, and text. We'll use n to convert these different types into clean numeric indicators. Here's the key idea. N converts different types of values into numbers using a simple rule, as you can see on screen. This makes n ideal for turning logical tests into numeric variables, something we use constantly in econometrics. Let's see how it works. These true/false values are useful, but many formulas, especially statistical ones, require numeric indicators. Simply type n, and select the first cell. N converts true to 1, and false to 0. Drag it down, and you instantly have a clean dummy variable. Text values often appear in datasets as comments, flags, or metadata. If we want to build an indicator for has a note, n helps us detect text. Type the formula on screen. This formula returns 1 when the cell contains text, and 0 when it's empty. Drag the formula down, and we have converted this column into numeric indicators without much effort. N is simple, but incredibly powerful. It turns logical tests into numeric variables, cleans messy data, and helps build reliable indicators for econometric analysis. Thank you for watching the video. Please like if you found it helpful,